Bit overcast, not too bad though. Not bad at all. Good morning, what's going on everybody? I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to the channel. We're on our daily ride on the Yamaha FZ6 Fazer S1 model, and we are cruising. It's a bit of an overcast day, not too bad. Hope your week's going alright. Nearly there. We're doing alright for time. I feel like I'm late today. I've seen loads of people that I usually see a lot further into my ride today. Everyone's early. My fucking lunchbox hurts my back though. Fuel prices have come down. Oh my lord. Not much. Not loads, but a bit. Yeah, she's feeling good today. I've actually spotted an oil leak on the right side, like right at the bottom of my engine. It's near my clutch, so I need to have a little bit of a investigate into that. It's a little bit worrying, but nothing too drastic. Hopefully, these things happen with bikes that are what 16 years old. Seems quiet on the road today. I bought a little clip visor. I don't know how big it is. I'm a little bit scared because I forgot to look at the dimensions on it. I'm hoping it's not fucking enormous. It's only an Amazon job, not very expensive. It's 20 quid. Ooh, here's the traffic. Classic. Thought we were gonna have a nice clear one today, but no. It's going to be another slow ride in by the looks, which is fine. I believe that guy was gesturing that there's a camera along here. I believe that's what he was gesturing. Or he was drinking his coffee while itching his ear. Not really sure. Not getting any fucking speeding tickets doing this speed anyway. There's this camera he mentions then. Maybe he was just drinking his coffee and itching his ear. Who knows? Yeah, it's not that I want a bigger engine bike, I don't think. It's more that running off yesterday's video where I was talking about like bike sizes, or the day before, whatever it was. I was talking about different bike sizes and what's too big and whatever. It was more about I just want to change. I think I can't stick to the same thing for too long. I'm a little bit annoying like that. Whereas the next thing, it doesn't necessarily have to be a bigger engine bike. I just want a Tourer, to be honest. And the ones that I like are all sort of the 1000cc capacity. Still feeling a bit under the weather today, hence the quietness. Just enjoying the ride. I'm fucking tired. Didn't sleep very well. Yeah, not very well. All that shit. Normal stuff. That's fun. Bikes are so much fun. Yeah, I need to check my levels if I'm doing a longer trip on Friday and Saturday and Sunday. Fair bit of riding to do, a few hundred miles. I'm feeling a bit rough, but I'm still here. I'm still pushing videos. No, they're not of the highest quality, but they are. We're trying to do as many as we can for as long as we can. We'll get better. I hope you're enjoying the channel. Check out some of the vids if you're new here. Hit the subscribe button. I'd appreciate that a lot. And trees everywhere. Bits of leaves and shit. Oh shit, that tree's come down, that's why. Yeah, I hope everyone's having a good week. Drop us a comment down below. If you want to chat about anything, send me a message, you know. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe on today's video. I would appreciate you all doing that. And I will chat to you in the next episode of Daily Rider. Peace out, have a good day.